Hey everybody, Lynn's here from rubyhooping.com. This video is just super quick to show you how to unfold your beginner hoop when you receive it in the mail. So it's going to look like this when you get it. You'll see on one side there's two joints. This is an older hoop, so it's a little bit tattered, but you can see right here there's two joints. See those? So what you're going to do when you get your hoop is you're going to put those joints right there on your chest, grab a hold of both sides like this, and you're going to pull like this. And you're going to turn the hoop like this, put one hand here above this joint and one hand here below this one. And you're just going to pull it out. And then you might kind of have to do a little bit of this type of stuff, you know, twist it a little bit to get it nice and flat. Then when you're ready to fold it back up, you're just going to put one hand under each side where the joints are. You're just going to push one arm out while you bring one arm in and fold it into an 8. From there you're going to put one hand over that to secure it and just fold the top down. There you go. You can actually tuck one side under the other so that it stays in place. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.